G'day everyone, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today we have the launch for June Masterclass, and it is a very exciting month because I have designed for you all the most requested project that I've ever had on Masterclass or Pay It Forward. It is, of course, as you've spied with the thumbnail, it is a Highland cow. So a baby Highland cow, and made up in that baby doll style. If you've made Louis, my little French bulldog, it's the same kind of style. She's cuddly, she's big, and she's uses just a little bit of mohair, so not too much, but put together very straightforward and really an amazing addition to your collection. So let me give you a closer look at our beautiful Highland cow. So this is Lil, beautiful Lil, one of my most requested projects. Finally got around to it. I've been working you all up to this one. So similar, very almost identical body to our French bulldog. Lovely chunky baby style. So she is a calf. Little horns. They don't really have horns when they're babies, but it's nice to give that indication of horns. So we've got beautiful sculpted horns up here, which are jointed, gorgeous jointed ears. Now the best part about this project is that the only mohair and fur you need is for the head. I've actually given her fur mohair legs, but you don't have to. I just like that bit of fur poking out over those little felt hoofs. You can see there, gorgeous tail with that tuft of mohair on the end, but the rest of the body is constructed in felt. Of course, she is dressed in beautiful rompers. I also show you how to make those. We've made those before. She has an undershirt, and I've put a beautiful, more of a jacket style cardigan on this time, and she just comes together beautiful. She doesn't need much in the way of accessories. I've given her a beautiful sunflower to hold and taken one of our gorgeous bears from Pay It Forward. Do have a look in Pay It Forward for all of those little projects that go so well with our Masterclass buddies. And I just think she's stunning. She has simple enhanced eyes, beautiful glass eyes with a felt surround. We do some gorgeous sculpting on that nose. I've got a very poseable wobble neck joint there, so lots of mobility for posing. And really quite easy to put together because of those jointed horns and ears. It's such a pleasure to get to the end of a project and not have to sew those ears on. So this is how I've presented her. Obviously, there's so many ways to present this one. You will learn so much. This head is multi-pieced, pattern pieced to get that shape and design. We have an overlip, so quite a lot of pattern piecing there, and our different lengths of mohair. This is actually mock mohair, so not very expensive, and this is just a rattan. And of course they come in so many different colours. Just a beautiful project to make, and you can make them so incredibly storybook. She's got some lashes there, but overall just a lovely homely little calf. I hope you have enjoyed seeing her, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you're all going to do with this pattern. I'm certainly excited to see different colours and even some party colours. So I've had the best time this month putting this one together, and she's definitely already within my family an absolute favourite. Mr. T absolutely adores her, as do my daughters. So I hope you all do too. So that is my Lil. I hope you have enjoyed seeing her. Even if you're not in Masterclass, it is nice to see this sort of work. Speaking of which, if you have not joined our Facebook page, come along and join us there. That's where you can see everybody makes projects from my patterns and posts them on this Facebook page, and it really gives you an idea. There's so many different ways to put them together. Of course, you can get encouragement there. We're a big friendly group and we love to see your work. So come and join us there. I'll put the link down below for that. If you are thinking about joining Masterclass, go ahead and join. I have that link down below as well. I want you to remember about Masterclass that it is a subscription-based class, which means there are tutorials on there that are exactly like we have right here on Pay It Forward. They are obviously more in depth, they're in chapters. We go into a lot more detail in Masterclass, and it's a great big library of work. So every Masterclass project that I have done is available to you while you are subscribed. It's a very, very low subscription price. And I hope you come along and join us there if you haven't already. Thank you to all my Masterclass patrons. We're having a blast there, and we are seeing some absolutely incredible work. I have loved seeing the chickens bring on more fashion chickens, and Mama Hare from the month before. Everybody's turning out some incredible work, so thank you all so much. Thank you all for your support over when I had a Patchwork Chair Chatter Q&A. Thank you all so much for your support. I am continuing on pursuing avenues to help me with my site. And I will keep on fighting. We'll keep on fighting it together. We need to keep being creative. So speaking of that, look, come and chat to me on Instagram. If you want to chat to me privately, that is the place to catch me. Social media is getting super busy, but that is the place to catch me. Come and check me out there. And you can always talk to me one-on-one about anything. So everybody, have a fantastic creative week. There should be a Pay It Forward project there for you. If it's not now, it will be soon. Also, our giveaway winner will be announced on the Pay It Forward page, Facebook page, so you need to join if you've made a guess. So I always put up a sneaky peek, and at the time of filming, I haven't done that. So we will see. I'm pretty sure someone's going to guess, so look out for that announcement too. Everyone have a fantastic creative week. Keep on sharing your designs. Keep on paying all those good things forward. Till next time, it is hooroo from me.